agreeing to help. Sure, gladly, I'm game, certainly. Of course, I'm on it, I'm all in. Absolutely, you got it. No problem, right away, no worries. Count me in. Let's do it. My pleasure. I'm on board. By all means, I've got this. I'm all yours. I can do that. With pleasure. I'm up for it. Leave it to me. I'll see to it. That's a given. Happy to assist, without a doubt. I'm on the case. I'd be happy to. I'll do my best. I'd love to help. I'll get it done. Consider it done. Leave it with me. I'll sort it out. I'm here to help. I'm here for you. I'm ready to help. I'll make it work. I'll give it 110%. I'll give it my all. I'll take care of it. It's my duty to help. I'll get right on it. I'm eager to help. I can handle that. Just say the word. I'm in your corner. That's easily done. You can rely on me. I'll do what I can. I've got your back. I'm at your service. I'll see it through. I'll see it through. I'll make it happen. You can count on me. I'd be glad to help. Consider it handled. I'm at your disposal. You can depend on me. I'm willing and able. I'm your helping hand. That's what I do best. I'm more than willing. I'm ready and willing. I'm your go-to person. I'm available to help. I'll take it from here. It's no trouble at all. I'm prepared to assist. I'll make time for that. I'm always here to help. I'm standing by to help. I'm devoted to the task. It would be my pleasure. I'll make it my mission. That's what I'm here for. I'm dedicated to helping. I'll go above and beyond. I'll make it my priority. I'm committed to helping. I'll do everything I can. That's right up my alley. I'm happy to lend a hand. That's no trouble at all. I'll rise to the occasion. I'm at your beck and call. I'm here, ready to assist. I'll put my heart into it. I'll do whatever it takes. I'm committed to the cause. That's not a problem at all. I'll move mountains to help. I'll get started right away. I'll pull out all the stops. That's what friends are for. I'll put my best foot forward. I'll give it my full attention. You've come to the right person.